In this video, we'll show you how to add contacts to your compatible smartwatch. It takes just a few minutes to complete. Setting up these contacts now means you'll be ready to reach out to the right people when you activate safety and tracking features or make calls right from your wrist with compatible models. There are two types of contacts you can assign to your watch. The first are just regular contacts or people you want to be able to call or text. You can import up to 50 of these right from the contacts list on your phone. The second type of contacts are your emergency contacts. These are the people who can get a text or email if a safety feature is triggered on your smartwatch. You can assign up to 3 emergency contacts. Let's start by adding some regular contacts. Later, you can choose which of these you'd like to assign as emergency contacts to. First, make sure the Garmin Connect app is downloaded to your compatible smartphone. Open the app and tap the More icon. Select Contacts. Then, tap the 3 dots icon in the upper right, followed by Choose Phone Contacts. Select Create Contacts to enter the information manually, or simply tap to select the contacts you'd like to add. When finished adding contacts, touch Done. When your smartwatch syncs with the Garmin Connect app, these new contacts will sync as well. Keep in mind, once a contact has been entered into Garmin Connect, their information will not update if changes are made to the contact on your phone. To keep the information up to date, you'll also have to make these changes to the Garmin Connect contact. Now that you've programmed up to 50 regular contacts, it's time to select up to 3 of them who will be contacted if a safety feature is triggered on your smartwatch. Because you've already added several regular contacts, it's quick and easy to select emergency contacts. In the Garmin Connect app, tap the More icon, then select Safety and Tracking, followed by Safety Features. Touch Begin Setup, then accept the Incident Detection and Assistance Terms and Conditions. Enter your information and touch Next. Tap Add Emergency Contacts and choose up to 3 people. Then touch Next when finished. If you own a voice-compatible smartwatch, at the bottom of the safety feature page, you'll see a section for emergency calling. Here you can choose a single number from one of your emergency contacts or add the number for local emergency services. The reason for this distinction is that on voice-compatible smartwatches, triggering a safety feature will give you the option to send a text and email with your location information to your emergency contacts or call that one designated number. If you choose to call, you can complete the phone call via your watch and then still opt to send a text message and email to your emergency contacts. Once you've assigned your contacts, emergency contacts, and if applicable, your emergency calling number, you're all finished. Be sure to watch the other videos in this series to learn more about using your smartwatch.